On the afternoon of September 7, 2025, Mexico City experienced a severe hailstorm that caused flooding, traffic chaos, and difficulties with public transportation. The Secretariat of Comprehensive Risk Management and Civil Protection issued orange and yellow alerts in at least 7 municipalities, citing forecasts of between 15 and 49 millimeters of rainfall and the presence of thunderstorms. Alvaro Obregon, Iztapalapa, Magdalena Contreras, Milpa Alta, Tláhuac, Tlalpan, and Xochimilco remained on orange alert, while Coacán and Coajimalpa remained on yellow alert. The rain caused severe flooding in streets such as Periférico Sur, as well as damage to the market and street market in Tlalpan, where the drainage system collapsed due to accumulated garbage. Regarding roads, rockslides were reported on Laredo Highway on the slopes of Mamulik. While on Linares, Galena Highway, between kilometers 28 and 36, rockslides affected traffic, requiring emergency units to continue clearing operations. Road closures were also implemented as a precautionary measure at various points in the metropolitan area. In Guadalupe, the intersection of Monterrey Avenue and Eloy Cavazos, in the Rincon de la Sierra neighborhood, was affected. In Monterrey, road closures were reported in the city center, including Conchelo and Ruiz Cortines, as well as Padre Mayer and Constitution. In the north, Palmer and Carpinteros avenues, as well as Palmer and Saturno, were also congested, while in the south, the Garza Sada, Alfonso Reyes, and Vado Canoes intersections were closed. In Santiago, traffic was restricted to the National Highway return route. Public transportation also experienced complications. The LRT partially suspended service after a lightning strike at the Zotapingo station, limiting its operation between Xochimilco and Estadio Azteca, with support from the RTP to Tasquina. The Ciudad Jardín station in Coyoacán was closed due to flooding, and Cablebus Line 1 temporarily suspended operations due to thunderstorms. The Six Flags Mexico amusement park, located in Tlalpan, reported damage due to water accumulation in several areas. Authorities urged the public to keep waterways clear, avoid crossing flooded roads, avoid taking shelter under trees during thunderstorms, and exercise extreme caution when driving.